Today we're going to install a generic reader called Foxit. This video is going to give you a little insight on using Foxit, a generic reader, from its installation to its usage to its uninstallation at the end of your process. Use a generic reader if your Adobe Reader after updating it does not work. You'll find a link on your checklist that will take you to a generic reader you can download. Although there are other generic readers that may work, the Foxit reader is the one we are using right now. Remember, the concepts from this video may be used for any generic reader we may choose to use in the future. So as you can see, we've already begun to download. Here, it's asking us if we agree or disagree with their license agreement. We simply click agree. Then next, we continue clicking through the setup installation until we get to this window. Please, let me make this very clear. Not only for this program, but for most programs we install, the maximum you want out of the installation setup is the program itself and its icon for the desktop. We do not want any accompanying advertisements, extras, or other free items and the like. We simply want the program and the icon for that program. So here we are going to uncheck all the check marks except the one that indicates an icon. Continuing on with the Foxit installation, this window talks about enabling safe mode. We want that, so we simply click next. Continue with the installation, which, by the way, for all intents purposes, I'm going to speed up so as not to have you sit through the installation process in its entirety. And here is the finish button. There's something I'd like to point out. After this happens, the program will ask you to register. You click Not Now. The next question asks you if you want Foxit to be the default PDF for the computer. Uncheck Always Perform this check when Foxit starts and answer yes. After this is done, simply go to the file, then select Desktop, and then choose your checklist that you previously placed on your desktop prior to Foxit's installation. And here's the Foxit program open with the checklist being shown. We've included nuggets of knowledge at the end of this video as well. It really is a culmination of suggestions on how to use the Foxit interface. Although you may find other ways of using the Foxit interface, here are some suggestions. You may want to try to get the checklist as big as possible within its own space. You can always start by using the Maximize button on the Windows window. So the item here that has an X, click that, and the highlighted box area goes away, increasing your area. You can also remove the side window, helping to increase the space. Although there are many ways to zoom in and out, we found by using the Control key and the mouse wheel is an easy way to use this option. Don't forget to periodically save your work when using the checklist. A quick and easy way of doing this is by using the Control and S keys. After working with your reader for a little while. I'm sure you'll find other ways of doing this, but what seems to be the simplest is to position the reader on the right side of your screen and the icons on the left in order to work on them with the checklist. Uninstall Foxit by using Revo uninstall only, please. Please do not try to uninstall Foxit with the Windows program. Use the advanced method to uninstall using Revo, because Foxit will attempt to leave a few files on your computer. We, by the way, don't want that, and the Windows program can't stop that from happening, but Revo can. So uninstall by using Revo. There will be a link on your checklist for your reader's installation and for this how-to video as well.